Hey there, YouTubers. It's your girl, naelatoye, and I'm back with another video. Hey, so today's video is actually going to be an unboxing. Y'all can see from the title that I got some hair. Actually, I got a wig. So I bought this wig from Luvmehair Hair. It's spelled Luvme hair. They were having a Mother's Day sale, so I went ahead and purchased a wig for an event that I have coming up, and I think I'm also going to wear it on a trip I have coming up as well. So yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox. So this is how it comes in DHL packaging. In a good box. So let's open it up. And see if it's exactly what I ordered. Hopefully it is. I've seen some good reviews on Luvmehair Hair, so I went ahead and ordered the wig. So let's see. The box is really cute. I love the packaging. First of all, my favorite color is purple. So y'all know I love this packaging. But this is the box. It's a little dinged on the back, but nonetheless, that's fine too. It doesn't really matter. And they have their socials on the side. And Love Me Virgin Hair on the front, along with their website. It's purple, so it's everything to me. Definitely love the color combo with the gold and the purple. So that is my color combo for my business, which is so crazy, but yeah. So yeah, so the wig comes in this bag. So this is the wig, and we'll get to that in just a second. It also comes with a 2-piece cap, so it has new caps. Wig caps, which I'm glad, because then that means I don't have to go to the store and buy one. And then it gives you, so this has their return and refund policy on the back. How to care for your wig, how to use your hair wig, frequently asked questions about products and usage. And then this is the front of their manual, which is really, really pretty. Beautiful black queen on the front. Yes, melanin popping. And the hair is beautiful. I may have to order that wig too. And then they send you like a little pouch. So I think this has the care package stuff in this. So let me see. So there is a comb, red tail comb. There are 2 duckbill clips, pink and yellow. There is elastic band. I got a roll of this. There are bobby pins, tweezers. And this says hair wax stick. Make your hair look flawless. Apply the product directly to the flying hair and then smooth the hair. Your hair will look perfect. Oh, okay. So this is to keep flyaways from happening on the wig. It kind of looks like a mini deodorant. That's so funny. But that is what comes in the bag. And I believe on the site, let me see if it's on the invoice to see what that's called. Nope, it's not even on here, dang. On the website, I believe they called this the wig install kit or something like that. I'll have to look it up to see what they called it. But yeah. So here's the bag that the wig comes in. And this is a 14-inch. I think 14-inch deep wave or water wave, I think is what it was called. But it's a 14-inch and It's a lace frontal. And what I'm actually going to do is probably be cutting this a little shorter than the 14 inch. But the 14 inch was, I believe this was the only length that it came in. It didn't come shorter than this. So I am possibly going to be cutting this. So the wig has, I took the little net off already. It was in this net. I took the net off already. But this is what the inside looks like. It has paper on the inside. And then these little things. And some little clips on the side to keep the hair in place. Now this, I didn't expect it to look like this. So I think if I remember right, this is a deep wave. So I'm going to co-wash it. And then see what it looks like after it's co-washed. The lace looks good. Let me move the box over here. So it's not, I'm definitely going to go in and bleach the knots on the lace. But this is the hair. Now this is just straight out the box. This is no co-wash. I've done literally nothing to it. Y'all literally just watch me take it out of the box. So this is how it comes naturally. It feels nice. It has a lot of good motion. But I want to see what it really looks like after it's co-washed. But then here's the lace. Now this has, to my surprise, an adjustable band on the inside that looks like it can be removed. Oh yeah, it can. Okay. Okay, so this has a band on the inside. And the lace goes all the way around, which of course I would be cutting off the extra lace when I put this on. But it has 3 clips on the inside along with, no, 4, sorry. So it's 1 here, 1 on each side, and then 1 in the back. So it has 4 clips. And then this band is also on the inside to make sure that it fits my head perfectly, which is wonderful because then that means I don't have to sew this down. For my trip, more than likely I'll sew it down because my trip is out of the country and I'll be on the beach a lot. So I will be sewing it down for that. But get your baby hairs all the way around, which I'll be cutting those shorter to be able to adjust it. And I think for my event, I'm going to wear it like that slick back wet look is how I'm gonna wear it. But I like it. All in all, it's a nice looking wig. It has, of course, the regular cap here. All in all, it's a nice looking wig. What I want to do for sure is co-wash it and let it dry to see what the actual curl pattern looks like. And I'm also probably going to cut it shorter. Maybe, I may not. I'm gonna have to wait to see what it looks like once it's co-washed. Of course, my hair is out right now, but it won't be out for long. I'm definitely going to make sure that I go in and bleach the knots because the knots definitely do need to be bleached. And of course, I'll customize it and all of that with the tweezer and go through and tweeze it and stuff like that. But all in all, this looks really good. It's constructed well. I have no complaints yet. So we'll see how this looks once I co-wash and bleach the knots and install it. What I may do is when I install it, I'll come back and make another video and show you guys what it looks like installed. But I like it. It's a nice deep wave. It's not even necessarily a like a curl. It definitely gives me like a nice deep wave. Run my hands through it. No shedding. Oh, it definitely gonna get big if I just run my hands through it. All right, so this is just running my hands through it to see what the curl will look like if I do it where they're not so defined. So this definitely can get big, like can definitely possibly be big hair. I will maybe have to cut it a little bit just to give it a little layer look, so that it's not. All right, so I did get one strand. I don't know where it went, but just one strand is good. All that I just did to only get one strand. Okay, so this is what it looks like, just finger combed. Oh yeah, I can't wait to wear this. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Yeah, so I think for my event, I'm gonna wear it the wet look. So what I'll do is after I coat wash it, I'll just let it dry and set the way that the curls end up. And then I'll wear it like that to my event. But when I go to Dominican Republic, I'm definitely gonna wear it the big style, like this, because I can easily sew this down. Like what I'll do is just sew like inside the front and then sew around the perimeter, so it's sewn down and I don't have to worry about it coming off my head when I go on my trip. Oh yeah, this is cute. Like I'm definitely feeling this with this big look. Okay, Luvmehair Hair might have a new customer, because this wig is nice. And there was 2 other wigs on there that I wanted to order. They were longer, but I wasn't really looking for longer hair at the moment. But I will be going back on and ordering them, because both of this one looks very nice. I'm gonna have to see how it wears, how it takes with the bleach when I bleach the knots. The lace looks really good. It's a very light lace, so it'll look okay when I do the ball cap method underneath of this to give me the appearance of scalp. Yeah, so this is it, y'all. That's really all I wanted to do, is just come on here and unbox this and really get a gist of what this looks like. This is definitely vacation hair for sure, because I can wear it up or down. And although it may be hot in DR when we go, this is still good beach hair. So this is nice. It's cute, y'all. I like it. So that is my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support from the people that do watch my content. Trying to be a little bit more consistent with the content, but it's a lot going on. I'm starting a business. So, and I will make a video about that as well soon. because I will be launching soon. And yeah, so I'll be making a video on that. So just keep an eye out. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications if you have not already subscribed. If you are watching and haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you are watching and you have subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you all for coming back to watch my content. And yeah, let me get out of here. I'm gonna go co-wash this wig and see how it looks. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.